Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset the forgotten passwords. That happens all the time if you're using a lot of devices. You log into some different places with different passwords. It always happens, you forget the things. But don't worry, this tutorial is going to help you out to recover your password, and maybe you're gonna meet or let's say deal with one password to use for all devices. All right, but let me first show you that it's not working. I'm gonna write some passwords that but the hint is not also answering that one because it's only smile. Let's try to switch the user with ICT Profi. Let me try to similar password, but still it's not working. I'm gonna use the external device that will be loaded with another operating system such as Windows, and there will be some programs in the operating system, and it will control my operating system in a computer and in a certain computer, and it will recover the password by some specific programs. First of all, we have to go back to another computer that's working with the password. Here I'm going to need two things. One is Refuse, which makes the devices bootable. That will help me a lot when I use the external operating systems in a certain computer. So I'm gonna download this quickly using the first link and click on the download, and it will bring me the installation. And I will do it, and here it will be ready. It's pretty fast. Secondly, we're gonna need Heerens tools. Heerens tools is a kind of a program that has the collection of the codes inside, and some codes are going to be helpful to recover the password. And there are also different programs inside that also helps to do specific tasks. So you may get interest with them later on. But let's firstly do this recovery. To do so, we have to firstly write here, Heerens tool ISO, and then go to the first link. And right here we are in the download. In the download part, you may see that the applications and the programs that I mentioned, as I said, it covers the collection of the programs. When you scroll down, you're gonna click on this file name, that what we need to boot our device, and it's going to download this. But I don't need, because I already did it before. And all you have to do is just open the Refuse and make sure you just choose the correct flash disk, and then you're gonna find the ISO file that we downloaded. It's right here, and then you say open, and when you click start, it's going to format. Just make sure you don't have the important files before you write the ISO into your flash disk, because it deletes everything. So when you start, it's going to make your device ready. So I made it ready. I'm gonna plug this here to the computer, and then I will hit one restart to my computer, and then every brand computer has the boot key. My computer is Dell, its boot key is F12. I'm gonna press F12 while it starts up. So it's gonna bring me boot options, as I said earlier. So here we go. I'm gonna use the this one, Kingston. That's my flash disk name, and I hit the enter. This hold the collection of the programs are going to be run in the Windows 10 operating system. It's going to be like the mini Windows 10 operating system. So it's pretty good interface you're working with. It might take some time to show the desktop of this, but you just have to be patient, but soon it will be on. Here we go. I'm gonna go to quickly utilities, and from here I'm gonna hit this security and passwords, anti-password edit. Here it is the dialog box we need to solve the problem. And I'm gonna click on the open. As you see, these are the accounts I'm using. I had two accounts. One is private account, another is the administrative. I go to administrative and click on the change. I'm gonna give five ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's repeat it. 1, 1, 1, 1, one more 1. Okay. Let's do the same thing for the John. John stands for your private account. I will also change this. I will give this one another 5, 1. All right, so just make sure you click on the save changes and exit. So all the process is done. All we have to do is just restart the computer and try the new password. I believe you are excited to turn back to your desktops. I think you missed them. So hopefully now we're gonna do it together. Let's start with the administrator. I'm gonna give 5 ones, but if you want, I can do this from this one. That's on that screen. I will give 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 ones. So here we go. We enter. Hopefully, you're also satisfied entering to your desktop. So we may also try the same thing for another account. Here I'm gonna try also another for 5 ones. 1, 1, 5, 1. So here we go. So hope it worked also in all of your computers. I'm happy that you are happy. So all the best for you. See you in another tutorial. Bye bye.